Another day, another episode of Lecheng Pag-ibig to. O diba, English tayo kasi syempre bago yung set natin. Hello!
Kala ko paring hype, is that you? Another day, another episode.
Pero papi, eto na muna. Hindi masyadong positive yung topic natin for today's
Ayoko na, uwi na
video. Kasi usapang ex tayo. So hindi ko sure pag napakinggan to ni Esa or napanood niya to kung makakatulog ka sa kwarto nyo.
Okay, excited
Pero
ako
ex
dito.
naman na to. Past is past. But you know us girls, minsan gustong-gusto namin inuungkat ang past.
Excuse me?
Pinag-uusapan ng ex. Pero pag nasa
Excuse
kalagitnaan
me?
ng usapan, nabubwisit kami.
Excuse me, minsan?
Oh.
Minsan?
Pero matanong ko lang, ba't kayong mga lalaki pag tinatanong namin kayo about sa mga exes nyo, ba't ayaw niyong pinag-uusapan?
Kasi nga, what's
Can
the
you
point?
please
Okay,
explain?
I don't understand. But before that, thank you for listening to the podcast.
Hi
Follow,
guys.
like, subscribe. YouTube and Spotify.
Oy, by the way, we are going pa 300k na on Facebook.
Thank you so much.
Ay,
And
ang
narinig nyo?
galing nila. Matik na. Matik.
We also wanna, this is gonna be our first recording with our intimate live audience.
Yes.
And dito sila mga Lechenatics. Thank you guys so much for
Thanks,
being here.
guys.
And hopefully we're gonna have a lot more episodes.
At mamaya maririnig din nila comment ng Lechenatics natin.
Correct.
Siyempre lang naman umupo lang sila dyan.
Tsaka si Adi, pasalamatan natin.
Adi,
kasi
thank
na-
you so much
nagko-coordinate
for all the
siya.
help. At saka yung mga kasama din natin syempre dito.
course, everybody.
Josh, lahat kayo.
Behind the scenes. Okay. Going back to the question. Bakit yung mga girls nga ba?
Hindi,
Bakit?
pero bakit kayo ayaw yung pinag-uusapan
Kasi
nyo?
sa
Yun ang
akin, no
napansin
point.
ko. Napansin nyo ba? Subukan yung tanungin ang isang lalaki na jowa nyo, asawa nyo, tungkol sa ex. Ayaw nila talaga.
Kasi it's so stupid. You know why?
ang gagawin, pag nagtanong, paano kayo nung ex mo? Ngingiti lang, tas ayaw talaga pag-usapan.
Kasi bakit? Kasi
Oh.
what I hate is, tatanong kayo about an ex, about, a past experience. Tapos pag kwento namin, nagagalit kayo.
Hindi naman sa nagagalit kami.
Oh,
Parang naiisip lang namin, ginawa mo yun sa kanya, sa
Correct.
akin hindi.
Yun na nga. Yun na
Galit
nga.
na.
Yun na
Di
nga.
ba? Oh.
So sa
bakit?
Sa akin kasi alam ko na magiging ganun yung reaction. So bakit pa natin pag-uusapan? Besides, it was already, something in the past. So hindi na kailangan pag-usapan yan. Especially if I know it's gonna make you feel
No.
uncomfortable. What?
I beg to disagree.
O, bakit?
Dapat pag-usapan yung past para hindi nyo na ulitin kung ano yung ginawa nyo nun. Bakit? Yung usual mga tanong lang naman natin, ba't kayo naghiwalay?
Yun
So,
lang
ano
naman.
nangyari?
Okay lang naman yun.
Okay lang
That we
pag-usapan
answer,
yun.
That we answer. Pero I guess, minsan, if there are other questions,
Dinala mo ba siya dito?
Oo, yan. Yung mga ganyan. Siyempre, ang sagot dyan.
Niregalo mo ba to?
Correct. Siyempre, mag-no ka. Okay, doon na tayo sa guest natin.
May guest tayo ngayon. Kasi merong upcoming event na kung di ako nagkakamali, World's Worst Ex Day? May
It is
ganon?
a PowerPoint party pa. So
Yeah,
you
Miss
will
Louise.
be
Miss
presenting.
Palakpakan tayo,
I'm
palakpakan.
Louise.
Yes.
You're gonna be hosting and directing
I
this.
will be hosting. I am producing it.
Producing,
I
okay.
built everything. So you're going to be presenting a 5-minute presentation on why your ex is the worst.
Teka lang. Let's start with
Saan
the title.
galing yung
What's the title
idea?
again?
World's Worst Ex.
Oh, tama.
And alam kong ako yung winner, kaya ako na lang nag-produce nung event.
Wait. Saan galing
Galit ka?
yun?
May galit ka ba?
Oo nga eh.
Saluhin mo yung appear ko. Saluhin mo yung appear ko ba?
Pero Luis, saan galing yung idea? Bakit
Oo nga.
kailangan magkaroon ng ganyang event?
Kailangan mong tubig, kailangan mong
I am a big fan of Community. As in,
hello of big fan of exes.
no, kasi like after the pandemic, I really saw parang onti na lang yung face-to-face meetups. As
Yes.
much as possible, people are just doing things online. So
I
it's
hate it. Lalo yung mga nagsaslide sa DM. My
yeah.
God.
Talaga?
Yeah, even dating is online now. It's
Landi.
not even face-to-face. So I'm like, I need to bring community back. I need to do something to bring people getting back together and meeting up. And I started with a very cute book club. Very cute, mga book discussion, reading
Like
discussion.
what? Ano yung mga books? Kwento mo nga.
So I have a themed book club
Uh-huh.
where it's loving yourself. So you read books about loving yourself and it's very cute, it's very empowering, it's very sweet. But people love mess. People love hearing things that they can relate to that are terrible.
And that's why our podcast was created.
kaya nga yun yung title. Nakita mo, terrible yung title eh. Lecheng Pag-ibig to.
Kaya
Oo.
pasok na pasok when you heard about your event.
I'm curious kung paano nangyari na from book love, naging world's worst ex.
Oo nga.
I'm an educator, so I love presentations. I love teaching people about things. I think the best way to communicate is like with visuals. So, and the best way to connect with others is through vulnerability. when you're showing yourself and like in your soft side
Your
and
weak
like
side.
emotionally nakedness, ganon. So that's what I'm inviting people to do is like show your vulnerability to the community, see how we support you and see how we react to
Pero
you.
Luis, you're an educator?
Yes.
College students, high
I
school?
taught grade school.
Oh wow, anong
Okay.
subject to?
English.
Okay,
English.
so from being an educator to ngayon, World's Worst X Day
Ang
with
layo.
matching PowerPoint presentation, bakit yun ang naisip mo? Ba't
Out
hindi
of-
na lang, okay, mga mommy na
Or
yung mga
best
anak
ex.
tamad mag-aaral, magbubuo tayo ng community, sama-sama tayo. Bakit World's Worst X? May experience ka ba?
Oh my gosh.
Ayun na.
Ito na kayo.
Once
papala
you've
mag-share.
reached like 7 X's, marami ka nang mapipilian eh.
Ang taray nung 7Xs, ang ganda nito, andito yung buhok. Teka naman.
And that was before online dating.
Girl.
Kinabog po si Sam sa 6 niya.
So
6 ba sa'yo?
imagine mo yun.
6 sa'yo?
5.5.
And a half.
Mamaya na yun.
Saan napunta yung isa?
Yung itsura niya. Nung pagsabi ko, 6 ba sa'yo? Hindi niya alam, meaning ko ba yung
Ako
totoo?
magalit kasi.
Ay, iba na yan.
7Xs.
7 X's and I know that I would win the competition and that's why I built the competition.
Okay, let us hear your story.
I want to hear. I started, wala pa nagsimula yung episode. Gusto ko na marinig the worst thing an ex has done to you. World's
Let
Worst
me
Ex.
paint a picture. I'm 21. They're turning 30. They left me on a bridge. We are driving over an overpass.
This is a real story, ah?
This is a real story. I was 21. I was still a student, still in college. He's 30. We were driving over an overpass. We are in an argument. He tells me, get out of the car.
Oh my God,
Wait,
uso
sorry.
yan dati,
No,
be.
no.
Uso yan dati
Alam
sa
ko,
Moy
alam ko,
G.
pero-
Hello?
pero kayo
Kami
yung-
sa jeep lang kami bumababa.
Gago
Ay, sa
ka.
kotse.
No.
Pucha, alam ko ay sa kotse,
Gago.
pero kami sa jeep nga.
Alam ko kasi mga girls mahilig sa leave me now,
Hindi,
open the door,
hindi,
leave
mga
me, get out of the car
Ang
now.
mga babae mahilig sa, sige na, oh,
Buksan mo
tama.
yung pinto.
Buksan mo yung pinto.
Ngayon na.
Alis na ako.
Buksan mo yung pinto,
Kahit sa
itigil
gitna
mo
na
to.
Ed, get na Ed.
Buksan mo yung pinto.
Sabi ko, I'm not gonna, syempre as a guy, I'm not gonna open the door. Are you crazy?
No,
We're gonna
no.
Edsa. No, wala akong pakialam. Buksan mo yung pinto. Sabi mo ako ngayon.
Pero may pinagmulan.
Mhm.
Anong pinagmulan? Bakit ka bababa?
Gosh, I think it was the fact that he wanted to borrow more money. And I was a student, I was a working student. So,
How long na kayo nung time na yon?
less than a year.
Okay, so nakailang utang na?
2.
Magkano nung
5K each.
Okay, and then nung pangatlong beses,
Lakas
saan
mo-
daw
Oh my God,
gagamitin?
lakas makabumbay.
I know.
Sorry.
5, 6.
Naisip ko na talaga utang.
Wala ba akong binibigay na interest?
Nandito
Wala.
Nandito naman ako, girl.
Paano business mo
Business ko
magta-thrive
yan.
niyan?
Oh, sorry, go.
So 5K again.
5K again. And then one last time
Sorry,
na lang
bakit daw siya utang?
Yun
Sorry.
na nga.
Kasi
Saan
just for
gagamitin?
living expenses para
Walang trabaho
makalabas
to?
siya. Meron.
Okay.
We were working in the same place. Tapos siya full-time, ako part-time.
Educator pareho?
Ish.
Okay.
So,
I am so
Ish.
lost.
Educator-ish?
I don't know.
It's like the X that's 5.5.
Ano yung educator-ish?
A non-classroom education place.
Okay.
So, yun, umutang na naman siya. Sabi ko, parang uncomfortable na ako, gano'n. Tapos, it started escalating na parang,
Di mo ako love, ay mo ko
you don't
pautangin.
care about
On this
me.
car ride, on this
Oo,
ride.
On this car
Go.
ride. To the point na, siguro pataas na kami ng bridge, biglang sabi niya, get out.
Are you serious?
Oh my God.
In-unlock niya yung door, get out.
Oh my.
Because ayaw mo sa
What
pairamin ng
time?
5K.
Anong
Hindi
oras?
Gabi.
Hindi ka man tumawag ng mga 3, ganon?
Well, you couldn't have prepared me for this. And genuinely,
Oh my God.
the only reason why I remember this is because I called up my best friend and crying. I was like, I'm on a bridge.
Alone. At
Alone,
night. At night.
walking.
So wait, he told you to get down and you got down.
I got that. I didn't know. I was like, I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. And I forgot this whole thing.
Medyo asshole, sorry ha, pero...
Medyo lang.
Bra, tsaka gabi,
And to think-
iiwan mo.
And I think he was 30 or 21, you said?
I was 21. He was turning 30.
And sa pauutang sa 21, tapos siya pa...
Alright. At iiwanan na lang dun kung saan-saan nung hindi na
What?
pautang.
That,
Asshole.
sobrang
Yeah.
asshole, okay.
So, yun, I was crying. I walked down the bridge. I eventually, wala pa yatang Grab, or hindi pa ganun ka-popular. Uber pa siya.
Okay.
May Uber pa nun. So, I booked an Uber, got home, I started crying. And then, syempre, my friends told me to leave him. Syempre, hindi ako nakinig. Because I am
So pinautang mo
crazy.
kinabukasan?
Yes. And that's why it's important to
What
talk
the
about
fuck?
these
Sorry,
things.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, ganyan naman babae. Bababa ng kotse, tapos
Kailangan ko ng moment
iwasan.
para i-absorb yung katangahan na ginawa
I
mo.
know. I chose my own mistakes. Pero imagine mo,
Sorry,
I
wait,
didn't
hold,
go.
hold on. How was the conversation the next day? Did you call him? Did he call you?
He called me and said sorry. Actually, I think he texted me and said sorry.
Ganyan yan.
And then,
Oo,
okay
lalambingin
lang.
ka after.
Tapos
Well,
okay lang, papairamin na kita, ganun.
We built we built back up to the borrowing.
Hinaghag, tapos binigay na yung 5K.
Of like, uy, sorry naman.
Sorry na, love naman kita eh. Ikaw naman kasi.
I lost my anger. Parang ganon. I lost control.
Tas
And
But
I
you
think
lost
that's
yourself.
So,
You don't
wait.
lost your anger.
Anong turning point? Bakit iniwan mo? O baka ikaw pa iniwan?
No, ako yun ang iwan. And it was because
God.
he was also emotionally constipated. And
I know.
I found out, so he had an original girlfriend in the same place.
Oh, pinagsasabay.
Wait lang, pang third ako.
Pogi.
Broke up with her to be with a different girl, also in the same workplace. Broke up with her to be with me, also in the same workplace.
Lahat to kayong
Kaya
tatlo.
niya kailangan ng 5K. Mahal na tatlong joke.
Wait,
Isa nga lang mahal na eh.
nagkausap ba kayo ng dalawang girls and nautangan din ba sila?
Hindi naman kami nag-usap, but we all saw each other at work
Oh
and we
my-
all looked at each other.
You didn't know that there was...
I didn't know the second girl existed. Akala ko nakipag-break lang siya with the first one, tapos tapos single, tapos ako na. Tapos biglang months after we started dating, sabi niya, uy, may hindi ako sinabi sa'yo.
Ay,
Parang ako,
namin.
be. Tapos, so emotionally constipated siya, borrowing money, all of that. The only reason I broke up with him was because hindi siya plan ng anniversary namin. Like, that was
At
my
that
last
matter,
thing.
Nabayaran ka
Yeah.
ba dun sa 15K?
I told him to pay me and then broke up with him.
So, he paid?
Yes.
Okay, thank
so
God.
I just made sure na nabalik yung pera
Oo.
and then, okay na.
Pero
okay
yung
na.
feelings, yung time, yung effort,
A
di na
year and a half
mababalik.
of my
I
young
know,
life.
nasayang.
Crazy.
Ang dami kong gulong-gulo utak ko ngayon.
Sa emotionally constipated.
I am emotionally constipated
Can you
right now.
define emotionally
He's the
constipated?
type na he can't express
Yung
his
parang
emotion.
natatai everyday? Paano ba yan?
Hindi,
As
yun,
in-
Ay, sorry.
diarrhea
Yung
naman
hindi,
yun.
oo nga pala. Yung hindi
Diarrhea yun.
natatae.
Hindi
Paano ba?
siya, as in, kailangan niya mag-sorry, it'll take him 5 hours
Oo.
of just sitting in silence with me in the room.
I kind of understand that kasi I used to be like that. I didn't know there was a term
Yung
for it.
hindi nagsasalita.
Hindi,
tahimik
parang
lang.
alam ko naman kailangan ko mag-sorry pero hindi ko na alam paano simulan. Alam ko kailangan ko mag-sorry. Pero
Yeah,
I just don't
yeah.
know when, proper time,
It's just-
sa timing ako ba to.
Just say sorry.
I know, but yun na.
Like, kailangan
Kaya
ikaw
mo,
na
exactly.
effort to apologize.
Dumebs ka, constipated ka. Akala ko jebs ngayon.
Grabe. Pero may natutunan ka naman from that. Hindi ka na nagkaroon ng ganong ex after.
No more older guys.
Okay. Okay. So, are you in a relationship now?
Yes, with one of my previous exes. If you can imagine.
But you're happy.
Super happy.
Very good.
yeah.
How long have you been together?
We've started dating last year, May, and now,
Uy,
like,
pa 1 year na.
1 year na.
Yeah, next month. Yay.
A- a-
Palakpakan pa 1 year na, guys.
A former
Hindi ka naman
ex.
nautangan, ha?
Hindi,
Okay,
wala.
okay.
We're both in stable jobs.
A
Good.
former ex, yung nag-break din kayo dati.
Yes,
Ba't
in
yan nag-break?
college. In college, before the older guy, it was him.
Okay.
And then we broke up. We were both
Because-
immature.
Immature pa.
Immature.
Okay,
uh,
pag gets
petty,
days.
okay.
Tapos biglang, oh my gosh, he messaged out of the blue in May of like, hey, I know this is a bad idea, but hi, Luis. Tapos parang ako, oh my God.
Straight to
Let's
the point
go.
ng mga landian
Straight
ngayon,
to the
ano?
point.
Ganun na
Ganun
sila.
pala yun. I
Ganun na
know
sila ngayon, I swear.
Kasi I know you're a bad idea, but hello.
Hindi you're a bad. Grabe
be
yun.
a
This
bad
might be a bad
idea.
idea. Okay.
Okay, and then you guys started DMing, texting, and now you guys are together for almost a year?
Almost a year, and I'm super happy. And we're both in different spaces. So he's also a performer.
Ooh.
And I'm trying to do community organization. So it's very different. We're very independent.
Comedian to?
Yes.
Okay.
Do we know him?
River Cruz.
Ah, yeah, I saw his Instagram.
But
Oh,
yeah,
he's good.
sumayaw
He's
yun.
good. Kasama siya.
Hindi si
Hindi,
River
River
Cruz.
yun, best.
Thank you for
River.
watching this episode.
River ang pinag-uusapan. River ito. River yung
Alam
sinasabi
ko,
mo.
gag.
Oo.
And
Si River, part ng Comedy Manila.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
yes,
And I
yes.
have 2 Comedy Manila featured stand-up comedians as judges.
On the
for
day.
the event.
So,
it's
hindi
a
lang pala
competition.
to. Hindi lang sa iyakan. Like, ano siya?
As in, like,
competition.
cathartic comedy thing.
And then, may cash prize?
my prize coming from me and from our venue partner,
Uy,
The
sali
Vault.
kayo.
Yes, I am actually giving tickets to one of our audience members and a listener of yours. And of course, to
Thank
you.
you, thank you.
Wow, may cash prize pag
Pag-
ikaw yung may worst ex.
Kasi okay na rin yun kasi nasaktan ka na eh. So ito naman
At
yung price
least may
na.
ano, may
Hello.
May pang new date ka na.
Ganon, ganon. Sino? Turo nyo.
Well, kung labanan lang
Ito ba? Ba't umaalis ka?
Hello,
Ito na,
meron
umaalis
sa studio.
na nga
Balik ka dito. Upo ka dyan.
Oo.
Joke lang, joke lang.
Parang ayaw mo ikwento yung worst
Kaya
ex
nga,
mo.
parang napa-walkout ka pa.
So, when's the event?
May 1, it's in Tito's Green Hills inside the Vault. So,
Okay. Saan sila pwede kumuha ng tickets?
You can go to Luis Villacorta on Instagram. All my events are there if you want like cuter
Flash
events.
natin dito.
Meron din iba, cuter
Meron
events.
meron mga reading workshops, journaling,
Oh.
ganon. Pero pinakamabenta ko to.
World's worst.
World's worst
Tapos
ex.
isipin mo may picture, di ba? Ma-flash sa screen. Kung
Kasi
meron ka pa mga
PowerPoint,
naitabi.
kailangan ng
Oo, may mga
PowerPoint.
naitabi ka
no
pa.
real name, no real faces, and no recording
No
during the
recording.
presentation.
So, paano kukuhanin nyo yung phones ng mga...
As
Paano
in,
nyo
like,
masisiguro
dapat
na no
nakababa.
recording?
Honesty.
Okay, okay.
Nung
Honesty na.
phones.
Honestly, syempre,
Pero
diba?
what they'll have are red flags. So every time someone presents something toxic, red flag. Everyone waves a
Okay.
red flag. So it's very interactive
ang
also.
saya.
Pero bawal may pakita yung mukha ng ex mo, syempre.
Bawal.
Ay,
So kailangan mo
sayang.
drawing
Sayang, gagawa
yung
sana ako
face.
presentation.
Nag-iisip na ako kung saan ko huhugutin yung mga pictures namin eh.
So kayo ba? Who,
Well, eto
who
nga.
has?
Well, napag-uusapan yung world's worst ex.
Labas ko na yung
Siyempre,
presentation ko.
alam mo, baliktarin naman natin yung tanong. Ano una mong gustong i-share? Yung worst na ginawa sa'yo ng ex mo o yung ginawa nating worst sa ex natin? Kasi hello, syempre minsan naman meron din tayong
Oo.
pagkakamali. Ano, perfect ka girl? Syempre hindi,
We're
di
still
ba?
toxic.
Oo. So anong una mong gustong i-share?
Yung una kasi nag-cheat sa akin. So,
Nag-cheat sa'yo?
oo. Yung pangalawa, siya yung gagamitin ko for what she did to me. Oo.
Babawian mo?
Hindi. Tapos yung
Ang daming ex ha, hirap
Oo.
na hirap. Akala ko 5
Hindi,
and a
mas
half
marami
lang.
siya, mas marami.
Usapan natin 5 and a half lang yan ah. Piliin mo. Kahit kung pangalanan.
Okay. Meron ako isa.
Bilang mo sa akin. Sige.
Meron isa.
Bilang mo.
Hindi,
sige daw.
hindi mo kilala to.
Hindi ko
Hindi,
kilala.
oo.
Sayang.
Ano to? Tawag dito.
Sayang, comment nyo
May
nga.
ginawa ako na alam ni na Tony and Sticks lang yata may alam nito. I was dating this girl. Kaya 5 and a half kasi meron akong aksidenteng ex eh.
Okay. Na hindi natuloy. Muntik maging.
Situationship.
Oo.
Okay, ang sama nito, okay. Pero nasa may Bugsies kami, Makati. Inuman kami ng wine pa noon. So we were on our second bottle. Kami dalawa lang, 1-on-1.
Ilang taong ka niyan? Para di ka namin ma-judge.
This
Bata
was,
ka pa niyan eh.
college pa.
Okay,
after college
okay.
yun. Tapos, nung hinatid ko na siya, kasi lasing na rin ako noon, sabi ko, shit, I think I love you.
Was it true?
Sama. Napaka-judger mo. Napaka-tawa. I think I love you too siya.
Natatawa ko kasi
So,
nai-imagine kita nun eh.
So biglang naging kami, pero ayoko maging kami. Hala! Yun nga, kaya nga na half.
Love mo.
Kasi nalasing.
Love mo lang siya with alcohol.
Oo.
So kinabukasan wala na.
We were dating for siguro 4 months, 3 months na yata. Tapos the next day, kailangan ko siya tawagan para sabihin sa kanya, hindi ko talaga siya love.
So paano
Kasi
mo
nag-I love you too na siya eh.
Bad.
So, kaya sabi, di ba worst nga?
Oo.
Bad, alam ko bad.
Oh.
So huwag yung gagawin yun.
Yun yung pinaka-worst na ginawa mo.
I think that's one of the, yung pag may
Pero
pinarecord,
yung worst na ginawa sa'yo,
blackmail ako.
kilala ko.
Hindi rin. Ano to? Mga
Ano ba yan? Yung gusto
immature
naman
days.
namin, yung kilala namin.
Gago ka talaga.
Sige, anong ginawa? Anong ginawa ng blackmail sa'yo?
Ito, yung parang nahuli ko nga siya, nag-cheat. Bibreakan ko na siya. I was going to her place to break up with her. So when I was talking with her, sabi ko, I know what you did, ganyan. So ginawa niya, for some reason, meron siyang isang nakatabi na bombilya. Binasag yung bombilya, ginanon niya sa arm niya, if you leave, I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh my gosh.
So ang tagal
Hindi
namin na,
yun.
naka-standstill kami dun sa apartment niya. Parang,
Pero after nun, iniwan mo na. Natakot ka, for sure.
Mga 2-3 kasi tinatawag ng nanay ko eh. Nasa na daw ako late na
Mas
eh.
takot ka sa nanay
Oo,
ko.
syempre naman,
Sa utak
aminin
niya,
na.
Be, mas takot ako sa nanay ko kaysa mamatay ka dyan.
Pag bata
Kasi
ka.
pag uwi ko, mamamatay din ako sa nanay
Oo,
ko.
pag hinahanap ko, pili ka, yari ka sa nanay mo, yari ka sa kanya.
Medyo nakakatakot yun lalo
Yeah.
kung ganun yung edad
Yes.
mo. Bagets ka
Super
pa, tapos
scary.
gagawin
So we
sa
were in
harap
the room
mo.
quiet for about 2.5 hours. Tapos I don't know if I was gonna leave kasi if she did it, siyempre ako parang it'll be my responsibility, my fault. But after 2 hours, I just decided to walk out and talagang pikit na. Sabi ko, I was praying na, shit, sana hindi niya gawin. Sana hindi niya gawin. Nakaganon
Boy
na
pa
talaga.
naman siya
Nakaganon.
ngayon. Boy pa siya ngayon.
Buhay pa siya.
Okay, thank you. Palakpakan tayo, boy pa siya.
But you know what?
Ayaw niya palakpakan yung inailabyuhan ko, nalasing ako.
You know what though? I've been talking to a bunch of like guys
Oh.
with like, oh, what's your world's worst ex thing? At least 3 other guys have told me that happened to them. Hindi, yung ano,
Akala ko
yung
yung
Blackmail.
nag-I love you.
I'm gonna threaten to hurt myself because of what happened.
You
So,
know
mas
why?
babae ang gumagawa.
Yes.
It's very traumatic.
Yeah,
Until now, I still remember. I still remember how I felt. I still remember the moment. I still remember na parang nagpapawis ako malamig kasi hindi ko talaga alam gagawin ko. So it was very traumatic for me. In as much as I'm laughing about it now,
Parang nakarelate ka ba? Naiisip niya
nangyayari,
oh.
diba? I hate it. Why? Hindi dapat ginagawa yun eh.
Hindi, and
It's so
at that
unfair.
age nga, yun yung iniisip ko na di ka pa fully mature tapos gagawin yun sa harap mo.
Tsaka hindi ka pwede
Paano?
tumansya kung gagawin talaga o hindi, di ba? Kasi meron na talaga, when I dated her, meron na talaga siya mga slashes sa arm.
Yeah. So that's why I want to do this event. Yes, it's comical, but I want to also show you na what happened to you also happened to this other person and you
True.
can talk
Ganun din.
about it, you
True.
can bond about it. And yun yung core is still community. Oo, nakakatawa. Oo, like, oh,
Now you can laugh about it, yeah.
Oo. Pero at the core of like women getting hurt because guys were mean or other people getting hurt or like queer people also not talking about the pain that of the past relationship but being able to have this space now we support you. You are here to talk to us and we can give you support. That's so important to me in this event also.
Shit, parang gusto ko mag-open na. Pwede pa ako mag-share?
Pwede ba?
Joke lang!
sa dami, ay, kala ko papasa na natin sa mga nasa likod eh.
Oh,
Hindi ko sure
I wanna
kung ano yung mas worse yung ginawa mo sa ex mo
Ginawa
yung
mo, I
ginawa
wanna hear
ko.
what you
Okay,
did first.
guys, wag niyo naman ako masyado i-judge nito. 14 years old lang ako nito.
Medyo
Kasi like,
ka ng 14.
bakit ikaw wala?
14, wala pa. 16 ako. First ko 16. Oo.
14 ako nag-start.
Oo.
Kaya tayo
to.
maabot ng 7 eh.
Oo, 14 years old. Etong guy na to, sobrang gustong-gusto ng nanay ko siya.
Bet ni mami.
Bet na bet, pero hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Pero
Okay.
dahil bet na bet ni mama,
Na-influence ka.
bait niyan anak. Nakita mo, napakabait to. Nahatid ka pa. Sa lahat ng mga kunwari, yung mga umaaligid, ito yung talagang,
The bet. The one.
bawal ka mag-boyfriend, pero pag yan, dahil mabait yan, okay sa akin. So, ginawa ko na. Di ba? Sabi lang na,
Siyempre, oo.
masunuring bata eh.
Tsaka
Masunuring
follow your parents.
bata
Nasa
tayo.
Bible. Honor your parents. Follow them. Okay, Jowa, let's go.
Okay naman siya. Cute naman siya.
Did you like him?
I like him as a person. Pero di ba, minsan may ganun tayo, ng mga bagets natin, hindi talaga natin gusto yung good boys.
Yeah.
Kasi may
onting
yung sinasabi ni Sam, yung
I can change him.
parang nung high school tayo, ang gustong-gusto natin yung lagi napapagalitan ng teachers,
Mismo.
yung mga tamad mag-aral,
Diba?
bulakbol, ganun yung mga gusto natin, di ba? Yung mga nagka-cutting classes, nahuhuling may 4 fingers sa bag. Ito yung mga bet na bet natin ginojowa. So parang halos
Ano? Ano nagulat ang
Alam
for?
mo yung 4 fingers?
Hindi!
Oh my God, you didn't know?
Ano yun?
Is that like a knuckle thing?
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, see? Hindi mo alam yung 4 fingers, yung sinusuot, tapos pag may away na yung mga kalalakihan sa labas, nakadurag outfit pa yung mga yan. Magsasapakan sila, ilalabas yung 4 fingers.
Sabi nga nila, may kasabihan.
Hindi uso yung mga chika-chikang away lang. Ang uso dati, nagsapakan sila sa labas.
Alam nyo na, good boys, go to heaven. Bad boys, take you there.
Oh my God, Sam. So, ito, bad boys take you there. May 4 fingers. Ito yung mga gusto natin.
Kaya nagtata, ano yung 4 fingers?
Hindi mo nga alam.
Hindi ko na nga alam
Ayan,
kung may
oh.
knuckle.
Pero I mean, hindi 4 fingers tawag nyo doon?
Hindi, knuckle lang yun.
Okay.
Brass knuckles, yeah.
Ano
There we go,
Pang
right.
mayaman, anong tawag?
Brass knuckles. Yun talaga yung Google mo kasi
No,
brass
4
knuckle.
fingers tawag doon.
Iba kasi 4
Kasi
fingers
4
sa akin
fingers mo yung susuot mo eh. Tama, mali. Oh, anyway,
Literal.
so ang gusto natin, bad boys. Okay naman yung guy. Likeable naman siya. Mga 2 months yata kami. Until, eto na. So, syempre, alam mo na, parang after school, minsan may shortened period. Naalala niyo ba yung panahon na yun?
Early dismissal.
Shortened period, Friday yan.
Okay.
So lalabas tayo.
Lalabas kayo ng mga hanggang 12 noon lang instead of 3 p.m.
Yes.
So gora kami sa bahay ng friend. Marami yan, parang jowa-jowa sila, ganyan. Naiwan kami sa isang kwarto ng
Eto
kaming
na.
dalawa.
Oh, at
juicy.
14.
The juicy. Yung reaction na hinahanap mo, papi eh.
Teka lang naman.
Pwede mo na i-close up to.
Okay. So mabait.
Ano, may
Gumanon sa akin.
Okay, naku po.
Umakbay ng ganyan.
binakod ka
di
na.
ba?
Oh.
Tapos kikis.
Oh.
Kumis din ako.
Oh.
Kumis naman ako pa ba? Okay naman, pero hindi naman ako marunong humali.
Oh.
Nag-kiss kami. Paano ko sasabihin kinabukasan pag umuwi na ako ng bahay natin? Ayoko.
Sa kanya.
Doon
Ay,
ko
hindi
na-
nag-match yung kiss.
After namin
Weird.
mag-kiss,
Weird.
bigla akong na-realize, ayoko talaga. So paano mo sasabihin yun?
Hi, you're a bad kisser. Bye.
Hindi ko sinabi. Siyempre ngayon niya lang malalaman. Sorry. So, you know,
sorry.
hindi ko
So
ever
sorry.
sinabi. So yung mga high school friends ko, for sure kilala nila yan. Sana wag na niya tumapanood. May asawa na rin naman siya,
Don't
masaya
forget
na
to
siya.
like, share, and subscribe this episode para umabot sa kanya.
He's really not a good kisser. Kasi nakikita matama yung ngipin mo dun sa...
Wow, thanks for the description.
Braces siya.
we can
Wala
ima-
pa.
Wala.
We can, sabi mo,
Bata ka pa nun eh.
you can imagine.
Anak, wag mong gagayahin ha. So tumatama yung... Ang
ba't tuma-
pangit talaga. Tapos matigas yung labi. Yung parang, hindi talaga magaling, papi. Parang naisip ko kasi that time, naisip ko, siguro kung di ko naman siya masyadong gusto, pero kung okay yung naging kiss namin, nagustuhan ko siguro, no?
Kasi kung may
Pero nung nakauwi ako ng bahay, kinuwento ko doon sa isang best friend, sabi ko,
mystery.
hindi
Oh,
siya
hindi.
marunong
Negative.
mag-kiss. First girlfriend ako, hindi siya marunong mag-kiss.
Sobrang-
Tapos ang tigas ng labi. Talagang yun yung, paano ko sasabihin? Alam niyo kung anong sinabi kong dahilan.
Ano?
So, that same day, gabi na.
Oh.
Tinawagan sa phone. Tapos naka three-way sa kabilang yung friend ko. Pero di niya alam na nandun yung friend ko. Uso yung three-way.
Yeah.
Kausap kaming ganyan. Sabi ko, kasi gusto ko muna mag-focus sa studies ko.
Yun ang pinaka, alam mo, pag sinabi ka ng girl nun, ngayon ko na na-realize, pag sinabi
So
ng girl
inisip
sa'yo,
ko ano mas worse, yung sinabihan mo I love you, after namin mag-kiss, brinake ko. Kasi halos same, di ba?
same. Masama tayong
Ayaw
tao.
mo maging like you wanted to teach him the ways. Ayaw.
Kasi di ka rin marunong
Hindi ka rin marunong.
eh.
That
Oo,
age,
so it's
oo.
blind leading the blind.
So
Ganon.
nagigilty ako ngayon, pero na-realize ko kasi bata pa pala ako.
Yeah.
So may mga pangyayari talagang
Di ba
gano'n.
kunento ko yung first kiss ko dati in one of the episodes?
Nagtama rin yung ngipin?
Ang tama yung ngipin. Tapos may nagkwento ko sa akin na parang,
Tuturuan mo daw. Ano?
hindi, sabi niyo, basta ano ka lang, magkahuminga, momo lang kayo. Ayun, humama yung matay. Ay, matay. Nasa playground kami.
Wag, hindi ka nga huminga,
Hindi
trinay mo.
ako huminga. Ano naman, sabi ko, ganito ba talaga to? Ang weird.
Totoo yan.
Diba, ang weird?
Ay, o bakit? Lahat kayo nung first kiss nyo, marunong
Huminga
na kayo?
Hindi lang. Sino huminga
Hindi
sa
lang
inyo
yun.
first kiss?
Nung first, wag kayong
Puro yung
plastic.
huminga.
Nung first kiss nyo, alam nyo na gamitin yung dila? Hindi agad.
Gagano ka ba? Diba,
Hindi agad,
Diba,
right?
Sa gitna na mo, parang, tatitest to. Gago, titest. Testing mo, papi. Di ba parang umamol. After 10 seconds, testing
Hoy,
lang.
paano?
It's the visual.
Testing. Baka kasi yun yung pointed, di ba? Hindi mo naman alam kailan lalabas yung tongue eh, di ba?
Oo.
So, tongue out,
But
tongue in naman.
eventually,
Tongue out, tongue in
natuto
naman.
ka. Oo.
Pero, world's worst kiss.
Oo.
Nag-burp siya sa mouth ko.
Good ang... Ano ginawa mo? Yun ang gusto
Tapos
malaman.
amoy tosino, di ba? Nag-burp. Tapos amoy...
Kasi, what do you do? Like, they're obviously
Grabe.
embarrassed.
Grabe amoy sisig.
So, like, nahihiya na siya. So, syempre, yung role ko doon, no, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Okay. Uy,
Ay, ito, meron
tawa
tayo.
tawa. Ano,
World's worst ex.
Worst thing na ginawa nyo.
Nyo or ng ex nyo?
Oh, game. Oh, teka.
Natakot na sila mag-share kasi ayaw nila
Mag-judge.
ma-judge.
Share, okay, may game.
Oh my gosh.
Anong
Kinuha naman yan. Oh my gosh.
Name and...
Hello
Taga
guys,
saan?
my name is Angeline O. Bobis from the province of Quezon, an intern of TPN, and I never had an ex, but I think ang pinakang worst na pwedeng gawin sa akin ng isang tao is yung ipagpalit ako sa mas convenient sa akin. Talaga
What do you
ba?
mean mas convenient?
Like parang
Mas
ganun
malapit
ba ako
bahay?
kahirap
Mas
mahalin?
malapit.
Kaya mas naghanap ka ng convenient kesa sa akin.
Less emotional.
Yes.
Gets,
Na
gets,
parang
gets.
mapapa-feel mo sa akin na ganyan ako kahirap mahalin dahil ba dahil ba ganito ako? Parang ganun po. Parang,
Alam mo ba, parang ex mo na
Yes.
lang talaga yung
Oo,
tinutukoy
parang
mo.
ex
Na
mo
yung
na.
hugot mo na, damang-dama namin.
May nangyari na dito.
Hindi po. Wala pa po akong, never,
Or ex ka ano, ka situationship.
pinakang worst. Wala po tayo ako maisip na top of my mind na pinakang worst. Pero I
Oo.
think yun yung pinakang worst kapag
Tama
pinagpalit mo
naman.
ako sa mas convenient. Ayun po.
Parang someone
Lalo
who's-
na ngayon, mahal gasolina,
Hindi,
papi
iniisip ko kung gagawin ko yun eh. Parang,
Oh, taga North girlfriend mo.
Hindi ko
Ikaw ba nung time kung kunwari taga South Cap, ang jowa mo taga QC, paano? Tas ganyan yung presyo ng
may
diesel
trinay
sa
ako i-date
gasolina.
na long distance, I remember.
Oh.
Singapore. Talagang nag-brinake ako siya.
Taray mo talaga yung
Tagal na
budget
nito.
mo, Singapore.
Alam mo ba,
back and forth?
alam mo ba't ko brinake
Long distance na sa
Wala
atin,
na akong
North at
pera.
South.
Naubos
So, dinadala
pera ko.
mo doon sa Singapore?
Ano?
Taray.
Hindi, tsaka wala. At that time, yung cellphone, wala pang
tawad.
WhatsApp.
Oh,
Wala pang
yeah,
WhatsApp.
yeah,
Wala pang
yeah.
Viber. Kung tatawag ka, babudgetan mo ng tawag. Every month, meron akong
Yung may
budget for...
roaming.
Oo.
Oh
So,
my God.
dapat ma-explain
Pera.
natin kay baby girl na minsan kasi pag wala pang budget yung lalaki, wala silang choice eh.
Kundi sa
Kahit
convenience
gusto kanila,
tayo.
doon talaga sa
Kumaga
convenience
pa tayo
pupunta
pupuntang
eh.
SM Hypermart. Kung may 7-Eleven na nandiyan.
Tama.
Ang pangit ang analogy ko. Okay, next tayo. Next. Baka
Next.
Yari na naman ako nito, pare.
Ito naman, sayang naman nag-floral ka, tas di ka magsasalita, be.
Galing ka pa
Oo.
Japan, oh. Oh, game.
Abot ba dyan ang mic? Okay.
Try lang.
Okay, go for it.
Without naming names, just one of the worst things that your ex has done to
Pero
you.
pakilala kayo. Kahit wag na yung ex. Okay, go.
Okay. Hi, I'm Maggie.
Maggie.
I'm from Pasay. So the worst thing that an ex has done to me was I didn't even know na break na kami.
Ginost ka.
That happens. That happens.
Parang we were, I mean, I thought everything was okay. And parang, and then all of a sudden, may bago na pala siyang girlfriend. And
Cheating ba yun?
Oo, yes,
Okay,
definitely.
tatanong ko lang.
Nakita mo yung pagkaka... Oo
Yes.
naman.
yeah, so
Noted.
I had to hear it from mutual friends na may bago na pala siya.
Kinonfront
And-
mo.
Yes, of
Ano
course.
sabi?
Dinedeny pa niya na he had he had a girlfriend na at that time. But then I also found out na he was spreading rumors about me
Oh
Na?
my God. Ikaw daw
na
yung
I was crazy or ako daw yung clingy and So
Ba't ganyan mga manloloko?
Hindi, ganun kasi uunahan mo. Hindi, para at least pag, nag-cheat, hindi kasi si Raulo yan eh.
control the narrative.
Yes, yeah, inuunahan na niya. Unahan mo na
Very
yun.
media savvy ang
Yeah.
ex mo.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, he was.
Oh my God.
Yeah, kasi he was a model eh.
Mo.
So,
Kilala namin?
no.
Hindi, tsaka alam mo mga model dati. May peak yung
May
model.
na-date ka model?
Meron.
Oo, meron nga. Meron nga, meron.
Lahat tayo nag-model ire, diba? Yung,
Ha? Hindi kami nag-model era sa baka ikaw lang.
Nag-model era ako.
Taas kamay ng mga nag-model era. Eh,
Yung
iba
mga-
ka.
hindi, uso
Ano
kasi-
yung model era mo? Paano
Wala,
mundo ng
hindi,
mga
uso lang ng mga
models?
fashion show. Siyempre, sila yung mga parang the hot shit dati. So gusto mo
Maka-jowa ng, oo,
ganun,
parang
no?
Victoria's Secret
Hindi
model.
naman ako nag-jowa, pero may dinate ako ng mga...
Hindi ka ba nag-jowa?
Na model?
Oo.
Wala yata. Next question.
hindi na naman
Let's leave it
sure.
at 5.5. Let's leave it at 5.5.
Oo, yun na nga eh. Oh, next.
So, one last. Dapat tayo mag-one last.
Ayan. Sin, ayan.
Ito mukhang...
Share na kayong dalawa. Go lang.
Sa akin po muna. Hello guys. So sa akin,
Name, location,
Jade and from Quezon City. So eto recent lang to.
Uy, wow.
Valentine's Day.
fresh pa.
So
Lapit.
I had this guy I've been dating. So we were dating for 5 months and then everything was smooth. Everything like parang it's like a fairy tale. Walang away. You will have the quality moments. Kumbaga, he's the ideal checklist guy, I would say.
Ngayon pala, kinakabahan na
Ako din.
Meron ako naririnig, hindi kami nag-aaway.
Tapos may kasunod, pero...
Checklist kind of guys. Sabi ko, patay ito yung mga
So-
serial killer bigla. Ayaw, sabihin mo.
So, Valentine's Day, we had a date, an intimate date together. So, we were already talking about the future plans. We were talking about okay, what's the goals you want to achieve for 2026? Where do you want to travel next? How do you want this relationship to go?
Para naman job
Wala.
interview.
Ayan nga.
Ayun. And then, kumbaga, everything was so perfect. Kasi treat niya, princess treatment, hatid sundo, and all. And then, kinabukasan,
Ito na.
he all of a sudden texted me na, I do not want to be with you anymore.
Sorry, you're telling me that the 14th, the night before, he was telling you now, where to travel, I want to be with you.
Yes.
And then the day after, I don't want to be with you anymore.
Baliw.
Yes.
Crazy.
He ended it over
Did he
a text.
Malamang nangyari yan.
text?
Feb yan, no?
Yeah.
Feb nangyari.
Yes,
Feb 27 nangyari yan. Feb 28 siguro siya tinext. Kasi yun yung tumaas yung presyo ng
Yun
gasolina.
nga rin naisip ko eh.
Feb 28 yun, be.
Yeah.
O, baka nagtitipid na.
Nag-explain
Pero no
kung bakit?
explanations?
Nag-explain?
Parang he explained that
Mahal diesel.
after careful parang ito yung exact statement niya, after careful consideration.
Ito, resignation letter? Resignation?
Ano daw?
Careful consideration? Job interview, girl?
Yes.
Tapos sa dulo, since truthfully yours, ano yung nasa dulo lagi?
With best regards.
Oh, with best regard.
Sincerely with best regards.
With best regard.
Noted with regards.
Yeah.
After, ano ulit yung sinabi?
After careful consideration of our
Text to her
date.
in the email.
Sina GPT, nakalimutan na anti-text yung jowa, hindi binago yung settings.
Siyempre.
Oh my God.
And then he stated his facts na
Ano daw ang
na
dahilan?
we are I am too much. I am way a green flag for him.
Okay.
So
Wait, green flag.
Alam ko to.
Yes.
Style din ng mga lalaki to. Pag meron ka ng nakabackup.
yeah.
Sorry, but I hate to break it to
Yeah.
you. But ito yung ginagawa ng mga lalaki. Pag meron ka ng plan B, kailangan puriin mo si plan A habang binibreakan mo. Kumbaga, sorry. Wow. Wow. First, the tirik mata. Wow. Like, whoa. Okay. Ganito yan. Let me explain before you complain. Okay? Ganito yan.
So parang magpasalamat pa kami sa inyo na
Parang not burning bridges.
Correct. Na nilagay muna kita sa pedestal para pag breakan kita, wala ka masabing masama. Na parang you're too good for me. Tama ba? Is that what he's
Yes,
saying?
exactly.
too much of a green flag, no?
Yeah.
You're
Yun, the
you're
same,
too
same.
good for me. Parang, I'm not worthy. Masyado kang okay. I'm not that good for you. And I don't feel comfortable.
Pero may iba yon.
Meron ng iba yun. Walang lalaki.
That's just his way.
Walang lalaki
to
na
end
gagamit
things.
na you're too good for me pag wala ka pang
So
plan
gusto
B.
niyo yung too good for you, guys? Gusto ng lalaki yon?
Hindi.
Oo naman, kung pipili kayo,
Oo.
syempre, the best one na, di
Pero
ba?
si too good for you, yun talaga si plan B. Yun yung...
Is it
Yun ang
like, I
talagang-
don't deserve your love?
Yes, mga ganon.
Or hindi
Whatever
ba pwedeng
waits for them.
talagang seryoso lang siya na parang nakita niya
No.
na masyado tong mabait for
Nope.
me, ako, loko-loko, something like that. Hindi. Most of the time, may iba talaga.
That is a classic line. And then, so what came next? Sorry.
Ayun. So, yun, those were the lines that you're a green flag, you are more than enough. It's not you.
It's me. Yun na mismo. Boom! I
You,
knew it.
you
I
are
knew it.
more than enough.
Yun na yung kasunod nun. It's not you, it's me. I need to work on myself. I need to be a better person than
focus
me.
on my studies.
On myself. Studies. I need to focus on myself. So hopefully one day, we could be together again when I'm ready.
Yes,
Bakit
exactly.
kabisado mo? Hindi ba
Chat
ikaw yung
Ginamit yan na yan
hindi ba
eh.
ikaw
May template siya.
bago
Kinaka-copy-paste
bago
niya.
pa nagkaroon ng chat GPT, parang meron ka na.
Buti may snacks tayo from Bibigo.
Oo nga.
Kain muna kayo, guys. But, so what did you reply?
So, his last words pa is that I do not want to be unfair with you, so let's better end this way. I'll unfollow you na, I'll block you na. So,
Godspeed sa dulo. No?
Speed. Godspeed. God bless Godspeed.
Okay, Japan.
See you soon.
Oo,
Japan. Always pray at
Just
night.
stay and good luck. Oh my gosh. Oh
So,
my God.
Ano yung last line?
his last line was, you deserve better.
Das
I
best
told you.
regards.
Told you.
Ang lungkot, papi. Ilang months kayo nag-date? 5, no?
5 months.
Pero hindi kayo naging kayo talaga or jowa mo to? Situationship. Okay. Ayun ang mahirap. Pag situationship.
Wala ka rin kasi laban dun eh.
Yeah. Oo. Oh well.
What the fuck? No. I mean, I know.
I know.
Okay.
Pero, ang hirap nun.
You
Kasi
know.
parang,
What do you do?
pinuri mo ako ng todo, iiwanan mo rin ako. Tapos, hindi ko pa sure, totoo ba yan? O kasi nungalingan
Di
ba
ba
yan?
there's a song on it, Break It To Me Gently?
Yeah, that's
So
it.
that's the
Oo,
logic behind that.
That's the gentle way.
Yes.
Oo.
Muna kita, mamasahin muna kita, pero pak sa dulo, yari.
But do you prefer the gentle way or do you prefer the honesty?
The honesty.
Kahit-
Oo, kahit masakit, kung may problema sa akin, sabihin mo na lang.
Ako, the mere fact na first 3 lines binabasa ko yung after careful consideration. Doon pa lang, sabi ko, tarantado to, careful consideration. Gago ka ba?
Ikaw, ano mas gusto mo? Ganon, yung gentle or
Ako,
honest na lang?
either or, masakit din. I don't care about, kasi when
Sabihin
I
na lang
when I
sa'yo.
find out that that's what his intention was, sasaktan mo rin ako, lahat na sinabi mo na
Wala
good
din
vibes,
matter.
I won't care about that.
True.
Lahat kahit bigyan mo ko 10 yung nga, you're good, you're a perfect person. Pag nabasa ko yung last line na it's not you, it's me. Gago ka, wala akong pakialam sa 10 na sinabi mo.
Can I share my last breakup story na to? So we broke up over Telegram because his mom told him to break up with me. By the way, we're like 28 na at this age. So, mama's boy, sinabi niya, sorry, my mom said we should break up. We've been dating for like 3 years at this point.
Okay.
So, sabi ko, okay. So, sabi niya, can I call you? Ganoon to explain. Sabi ko, no need, don't need it. Tapos, sabi niya, I hope you know that I really love you. Tapos sabi ko,
Alam mo, parang mas worst yan kesa dun sa pinababa ka ng kotse, girl.
actually, mas emotional to.
Actually, yeah.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko, I don't believe you. Tapos, and this is me being messy and petty, I screenshotted the icon of Bumble on my phone na dinownload ko na yung app the night of, and then I posted it on my stories, and then I said, welcome back, it's me again. So just to announce that I'm
Single,
single once again.
Nag-comment.
And then he unfollowed me, and then he blocked me, and then he And I'm like, I think deserved niya yon ng onte. Just because of the emotional pain that I went through, I felt vindicated na,
Tsaka minsan may ganun tayo eh.
just
We want to get even. Sinaktan mo ko
Oh, so ako rin,
Ako din.
gaganon ako.
Pero ikaw ba, Sam, will you break up with someone kung sabihin ni tita?
Oof.
No.
Nung mga bagets days mo?
Although I was
yung
dating,
bagets days.
there were a few people I've dated na alam ko hindi type ng mom
Pero
ko.
sinasabi niya.
Hindi. She won't tell me break up with that person. Sabihin lang niya, she'll make me feel it. Hindi rin
Okay.
sabihin na
Paano
hindi
yun?
okay yan.
Paano anong gagawin
Wala
niya?
na, parang hindi lang siya masyadong warm. May mga,
Dinadabog yung pinto
Hindi
pag
naman,
papasok
hindi
ka.
hindi naman. Parang hindi lang siya as warm.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Kagaya ng mga
correct,
gusto niya.
correct. Pag gusto niya
Okay.
warm talaga siya.
Mhm. Ako feeling ko baka nagamit lang yung nanay.
Totoo. Feeling ko rin. Another
Kasi
case.
kung 28 years old ka na, still living with his mom?
Still living with his mom. And he was like a
Pero
post-grad student. So, the parents
Pero
are
may
still
paying
vibes
paying.
talaga na mama's boy. May ganun.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Kasi
And
may
very
mga
conservative family, very family.
Oo nga. Hindi eme lang yun. Baka nga nakinig sa nanay.
So, I was like, you know what?
Sad.
Whatever.
Okay lang, nandiyan na naman si River. Galing pa magsayaw. Galing pa magsayaw. Last one.
Hindi mo sinabi.
Hi everyone, I'm
Kevin.
Kevin from Taguig. So, I've been listening to LPT since pandemic pa.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
6
kanina
years
inisip
na.
ko, ano ba yung share ko? So, ito. Nangyari na siya, matagal na siya. So, ginawa ko, preloader siya. So, I
Nagbabayad
met...
lahat.
Ha?
Ikaw nagbabayad lahat.
Exactly.
Oof.
So, I
Dapat
met
ba magbayad
this-
din yung babae?
Well, my rule
Hindi, kunwari kung date pa lang. Kung hindi pa naman kayo.
I think-
Kung kayo na medyo...
Yeah.
Pero usually pag dates, di ba, pakitang gilas kasi yung boys
Like, kung
dyan
sino
eh.
nag-aya.
Especially sa culture natin dito sa Pinas, ha? Hindi pa rin talaga tayo open na sa date. Naglalabas yung girl. Sa ibang bansa, share eh.
Yes.
During dates.
Lalo na
I'm
sa-
sure nung date nyo ni Esa, never mo pinagasto si Esa. Right? See? During dates, madalang ang lalaki na magpapagastos ng babae. Kaya sa date pa lang, kung pinagastos ka na,
Alam mo
kabahan ka na.
Abangan. but, teka. Did she at least offer?
No.
Hindi rin.
Like, I met this guy
Okay.
on one event na
Oo.
hinahandle ko before. So, after like 3 months, parang we plan to visit. Nagpunta sa isang lugar.
Oo.
Like malayo. Ayoko na sabihin yung lugar ba kasi alam niya siya yun. So,
Bago na sa pangalan Tagaytay. Oh.
Malayo.
Yeah.
Tagay, malayo
Sabi
na
nga
yan.
sa
Tamang
Tagaytay na
Tagaytay.
siya.
Ayan, oh.
So, eto, parang mas mahirap to sa utang kasi ako hindi ko alam kung babayaran niya ba o hindi.
Akala siya nagaya.
Yeah.
Pero,
Tapos,
Pero
ang
hindi
sabi-
siya magbabayad.
pero you have been paying for the past few.
lahat ako, all expense
So
paid
alam
trip.
mo na
Wala siyang
malamang
ginastos
kung
kay
siya
Tiso.
nag-invite, ikaw pa rin, malamang nasa utak mo, malamang shit akong gabayad nito.
So pag same sex sa dating, dapat hati. Ganun sa inyo.
Yun dapat.
Okay. Para at least alam natin.
Okay,
Oo.
same. I mean,
Ayun, and then ang sabi niya before, bago kami magpunta doon, is may meet niya yung friends niya para ma-meet ko din. Then, pati inuman nung friends niya. Ako
Magbayad?
nagbayad.
Oh, wait lang.
bullshit.
Pero bago kayo
Oh
umalis,
my God.
nasa utak mo ba, napag-usapan ba na siya magbabayad?
Hindi.
Oh,
ang awkward kasi bring up eh, di ba?
hindi rin.
No, it's
Pero
awkward to bring it up.
It's awkward, pero kasi nasanay na siya. He's paying for everything. So nasa utak nung ex nito, anaya ko
Okay
siya.
na sa kanya.
Okay naman sa kanya, ginagastosan niya ako. Ayain ko siya dito sa malayong lugar. Sama ko friends ko. Siya ulit gagastos.
But I think it's common courtesy. Guys, if you're watching, listening to this, it's common courtesy na if you're inviting
Mahiya
your
ka
friends
naman. I know.
to a party,
Walang
whatever, an
hiya
outing, tapos the whoever's kasama mo is gracious enough to allow, please lang, bayaran niyo naman yung, or tell your friends to pay.
Yeah.
Huwag naman yung gan. I think that's basic human, ano yan,
Decency.
regardless of sex or who's paying for dating,
Yeah.
whatever, relationships has. If you're inviting your friends, kahit nga mag-asawa eh, di ba?
Hindi
Let's
siya
say,
ka-
if
ito,
Mike
can I
invites
just
his
say,
friends,
hindi lang ito yun,
Oh.
papi. Kung nung time na nag-date kayo ni Esa, halimbawa, nagsama ng isang buong barangay, ma-off ka, di ba? Tapos papabayad
Siyempre.
sa'yo.
Ah, oo.
syempre, I'll offer, syempre.
Kahit same sex or opposite sex, nag-date tayo na dapat tayo lang, tapos ginulat mo, nagsama ka ng marami, ikaw
That's very rude.
magbabayad.
That's very rude.
Right?
That's very rude.
Well, actually, if yun,
Magkano nagastos?
almost 30,000. Kasi,
Kasi nga Tagaytay yan, papi.
Tinagaytay,
Magkano na ang
malamig.
bulalo? May gas ka pa, di ba? May toll pa. Nagkalaks
12
pa
days
kayo.
kasi siya, 12 days kami. Nagbakasyon. So,
Sa Boracay.
pero hindi pa yun yung worst part. So,
wait.
parang
Hindi pa
3
to yung
days
worst
bago
part?
kami bumalik ng Manila, tulog siya sa hotel kami. Nakita, parang may instinct na buksan ko yung phone niya.
Ayun
Tapos,
Binuksan mo o nabuksan mo?
binuksan ko siya, tapos sinulaan ko yung password. Then,
birthday niya?
birthday niya.
Tangina ka talaga.
Bakit? Usually, it's really, birthday naman talaga eh.
Mga lalaki talaga, tatanga natin eh, no? Kasi I try to just get it on
Like
record.
even my husband,
Ang tatanga ng mga lalaki. Can I just
password
say
ng
that?
phone niya, birthday. Ikaw din, di ba?
Ito mo.
Oo. Ba't hindi nyo
natin
ibahin?
eh, no?
Kasalanan ba namin na alam namin mga
Tanga
babae
kayo, natanga kayo.
na ganong kayo mag-isip na ang gagawin yung password sa phone nyo, birthday nyo, ganyan yan, birthday nyo. Kung hindi nyo birthday namin.
Asawa, oh.
Kung hindi, nanay, birthday ng nanay nyo. Ganon usually.
Kasi nga, busy kami, madali kami makalimot.
Oh,
Diba?
sometimes employee number,
Oo.
student number, yung ginagawa nilang password.
Okay, and then?
Tapos, nagulat
Nabuksan
ako
mo,
na,
ito
na
na,
nag-open siya,
birthday.
nilagay ko yung birthday niya. Then, I found out na may partner pala siya. And parang they having conversation with, if you're familiar with Alter sa Twitter, sa X.
Okay, yeah.
Yung
Ano, what's
nakikipag,
Oh, can you explain? Sorry ah.
Yeah,
Hindi na-
I'm
wait,
not all
I don't know.
familiar.
okay lang ba? Like yung mga Alter, yung nakikipag-sex to someone para
On
bayaran.
X?
It's on,
Yes po.
it's on X.
Wait, it's on X?
It's at the chat.
Twitter.
Allowed on X?
Oh,
Yes po.
ang X ngayon, ang dami.
Oh, altered.
Altered. Alter, okay.
Alter on X. Wala na siya
Teka,
ngayon.
kailangan marinig
Halika,
sa
oh,
podcast
Mike,
to. Kailangan
Mike.
marinig to.
Oo.
Until now, meron pa rin. I think mas malala dati eh.
Oo.
Alter is basically people who they promoted as sexual freedom for themselves na sexually empowering siya. But pero kasi minsan it also lets them promote themselves
Okay, wait.
out there.
So parang you're an alter, you have a relationship, you can
No.
have sex with
Alter
every...
account siya.
Okay.
Alter account.
Alter ego.
Yeah.
It's your alter ego in
Yeah.
the intimacy
Alter
scene.
yung tawag.
Yeah, that's what they call alter.
Tapos yung mga may alter ego na to, sometimes in a relationship, ina-allow din sila ng partners nila?
Well, hindi.
Kasi pinag-uusapan daw nila yung alter nung,
No.
di ba, nung partner niya?
May partner siya, at the same time nakikipag-usap siya sa Twitter with Alter.
Okay, may iba pa.
So like, you're the third thing. So may
Yeah.
partner siya, may alter siya, tapos meron si Kevin.
Ano ba yung ganun ng time natin, yung parang alter?
Meron ba tayong gano'n?
Wala tayong gano'n.
Wala tayong gano'n.
Simple lang ang buhay namin noon. Like,
Wala-
loyal lang lahat.
Loyal
lang lahat,
Hindi
Sam,
rin,
right?
tama.
Hindi ako kasagot.
Mahirap mag-podcast ha.
Pinupunta na nga kita sa pedestal. Ang tagal mo pa sumagot eh.
Hindi nga.
Oo eh.
Hindi,
So, I mean, what happened after that?
After that, hindi ko sinabi sa kanya na nakita ko. So pag
Siyempre.
uwi namin ng Manila after a month, iniwan ko
nag-1
na.
month ka pa.
Yes.
Dapat iniwan mo
Yo.
na lang siya, be.
Yo.
Like, I like him eh.
Oh,
Tapos,
Alam mo yun ang
That-
mahirap
you know
eh.
what? Yeah.
When you're in love, willing ka magpakatanga kahit na ang tanga-tanga na ng ginagawa mo. But
Sasagad mo pa.
when you
Yeah.
look back, parang, oh my God.
Why did I do that?
How did you end it?
noong una sinabi ko sa mom ko na pagbalik ko ng Manila, sabi ko, ayaw ko na. Tapos gusto ko na umuwi kasi nakastay ako sa kanila for like a week. Tapos doon ako nag-work since work from home ako that time. Tapos sabi niya, galit na galit yung mom ko. Until now, actually. Sabi na ginamit ka lang nung guy. And iwan mo na yun kasi parang di mo naman deserve.
Saan mo
Marami naman.
nakilala si Guy?
Ha?
Saan mo nakilala?
Sa isang event.
Okay.
So pag sinabi ko event, malalaman ko sino.
Pwede to
yeah,
bigyan mo
yeah,
ng
yeah,
ticket to ng World's Worst Ex. So,
You can present
pwede
what
ito.
happened to
Pwede
you.
ka
Bigyan ng
mag-champion,
ticket.
be.
Bigyan ng
Bigyan ng
ticket.
ticket.
Bigyan
Ito
ng
dalawang to,
ticket.
bigyan ng ticket.
Actually, na-post ko siya sa TikTok pero tinanggal ko kagad. Parang I
Because?
accidentally posted it. Parang nakadrop siya sa TikTok. Tapos may mukha nung guy. Tapos nilagay ko
nanliloko
doon
ka.
lahat ng conversation namin.
Is that a thing now? Kasi ang dami ko nakikitang ganun, yung pag niloloko talagang pinopost.
Yeah.
It's a
Hindi
thing
yun,
now,
out of-
right?
out of
It's a
galit.
thing now.
Yeah.
Kay nung panahon natin, kung may ganun na, would you have posted it? Kunwari yung,
Yung
like,
everything that
yeah.
well, justice via social media is so popular now. Pero it like talks about cancel culture rin na parang deserve niya ba talaga hate from society, ganon. Pero, I was a victim. So, syempre, sasabihin ko deserve
Yup.
niya. Pero,
Galit ka eh.
Oo, galit ako eh.
Lalagay mo yung picture,
Oh,
ganon
hindi
yung mga
naman.
nakikita. Di ba yung iba, nilalagay yung photos pa. Ang dami ko nakikita.
I feel like kung scammer siya, ganon. Kung,
Okay lang yun. That's
Oo,
a
pang-limang
different-
babae na pala akong skinam niya. Pwede yon. Pero if they cheated on me ganon, baka hindi ko ipopost.
Hindi na.
Pero sasabihin ko.
Sunwerte ka, Sam. Friendster pa lang tayo nun eh.
Oo. Okay na. Let's keep it. Patesti lang. Patesti. Patesti naman.
Tapos pag umakyat may music ni J-Lo, di ba? Oh my gosh.
Grabe. So,
Pag-usapang ex talagang di mauubos yung
Oo.
topic about it.
And it's
And
a lot-
experience din natin.
either tayo may ginawa o may ginawa sa or both, diba? We did
Yeah.
something. I mean, when a relationship ends, it's always, or any relationship for that matter, it's always a two-way street.
Yeah.
Diba? You give, you take, ganun talaga. But thank you so much, and we are gonna be
Thanks,
seeing you once again.
Luis.
Tell us all about it.
Yes, so
Luis.
May 1, it is in the vault in Tito's Green Hills. It is World's Worst Ex PowerPoint presentation party. You have 5 minutes to convince a crowd and 2 stand-up comedians that you have the world's worst ex.
Case in point, what if pumunta rin yung ex ko?
O di magtalunan kayo.
Ang ganda nun. No, yes,
Alam mo,
correct.
next time gawin nating mas malaki ang event na yan.
Dito
Invite
natin gawin.
natin yung Leche Natics.
Exactly.
Ganun
Gusto ko
din.
gawin yun.
Gusto ko
Gusto ko
maging
gawin.
judge
So,
nun,
gusto ko
papi.
You
Gusto
would be
namin maging judge
amazing
niyan.
judges.
Gusto gawin yun
World's
dito.
Worst Ex Part 2 with
Yes.
LPT next time.
That
Let's
would
do
be
that.
amazing. Yes,
Or
oh
your
my gosh.
winner. Maybe when you're winner, you have a winner. Top 3 nyo, dalhin nyo dito.
Oh.
Iba-bracket natin
Diba?
yan.
Yes.
Diba?
Game
Top
tayo
three na
dyan.
dito.
Pero ngayon, ang
Lovely.
puntahan muna nila yung May 1.
Correct.
And then abangan nyo soon yung collab with LPT.
Yes, I would love that.
Luis, thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
the
Thank you so
podcast.
much.
Be safe. Sana hindi mangyari sa inyo mga pinag-usapan natin. In the meantime, my name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Be safe, be good. Bye-bye.
Bye!